Welcome to our lesson on division with remainders. What is division? Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. So if we know 3 times 5 equals 15, the inverse of that would be 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And I also know 15 divided by 5 equals 3. There are several parts of a division problem. The divisor is being divided into the dividend. In a division problem, the answer is referred to as the quotient. And then in the problems you're going to see in this lesson, there will always be a remainder. Okay, let's look at setting up the problem. So when we're setting up a long division problem, our divisor goes on the outside of the box, and then our dividend goes inside. So we have 1,526 divided by 3. All right, so let's see. We know 3 will not go into 1 evenly, so let's look at the next digit. 3 will go into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 equals 15. Subtract, and you bring down your 2. 3 will go into 2. 3 will not go into 2, so we're at a 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. Subtract 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down your 6. All right, 3 will go into 26 8 times. 8 times 3 equals 24. And if we subtract 26 minus 24, we are left with a remainder of 2. So our quotient is 508 with a remainder of 2. And to help you remember the steps, you can simply write these letters to the side. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And those steps repeat until the problem is finished. Let's look at another one. This is 1,024 divided by 5. We're going to write our steps off to the side so we'll remember exactly what to do. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. All right, 5 will not go into 1, but 5 will go into 10 2 times. 2 times 5 equals 10, so we'll subtract and bring down a 2. 5 will not go into 2, so 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2, and bring down your 4. 5 will go into 24 4 times. 4 times 5 equals 20. And when you subtract 24 minus 20, that leaves you with a remainder of 4. So our quotient is 204 with a remainder of 4. All right, you try one. Remember how to set it up. Your dividend goes inside. So we have 2,025 divided by 6. Remember our steps. All right, 6 will not go into 2, but 6 will go into 20 3 times. 3 times 6 equals 18. 20 minus 18 equals 2, and we'll bring down our 2. 6 will go into 22 3 times. 3 times 6 equals 18. 22 minus 18 equals 4, and we'll bring down our 5. 6 will go into 45 7 times. 7 times 6 equals 42. And when you subtract, you are left with a remainder of 3. So our quotient is 337 with a remainder of 3. All right, last problem. We have 3,036 divided by 7. Don't forget your steps. All right, 7 will not go into 3 evenly, so we'll do 7 into 30. 7 can go into 30 4 times. 4 times 7 equals 28. 30 minus 28 equals 2. Bring down your 3. 7 will go into 23 3 times. 3 times 7 equals 21. Subtract. 23 minus 21 equals 2. And bring down your 6. 7 will go into 26 3 times. 3 times 7 equals 21. 26 minus 21 equals 5. So we have a remainder of 5. If your remainder is ever larger than your divisor, you know that it really could have gone in another time. So you need to look at that. Also, you see how much faster it is once you know your multiplication facts. This would take much longer if you had to figure out every multiplication fact. This concludes our lesson on division with remainders.